In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste attributes on CapCut. If you've ever spent time dialing in color, filters, or motion on one clip and wish the next one could instantly match, this is exactly what you need. Copying and pasting attributes lets you transfer the visual settings from one item to another in just a couple of clicks, keeping your project consistent and saving you a lot of repetitive work. Start by opening CapCut and heading into the project you're working on. For this demonstration, we'll use two images on the timeline, but the same idea applies when you're working with other visual clips. Make sure both images are added to your timeline so you can easily select them. Arrange them in the order you prefer, and confirm that the first image already has the look you want to reuse. This could include things like color adjustments, filters, effects, basic transforms such as scale and rotation, and even certain animation settings. Now, locate the first image in the timeline. Right-click on it to bring up the context menu. From here, choose Copy Attributes. Think of this as taking a snapshot of the visual settings attached to that clip. You're not copying the media itself, just the appearance and adjustments you've applied. This is non-destructive, so nothing on your original clip changes when you copy. Next, move to the second image, the one you want to match. Right-click on that image to open the context menu again, and click Paste Attributes. CapCut will apply the copied settings from the first image directly onto the second. Depending on your version and the specific attributes you used, you might see a brief dialog asking which settings to include. If that appears, confirm your choice and proceed. In a moment, the second image should adopt the same look and feel as the first, aligning your colors, effects, and other visual tweaks. After pasting, give the result a quick review. If your two images are very different in size or framing, you may notice slight variations in how scale or position appears. That's normal, because those adjustments are relative to each clip. If anything feels off, simply make minor refinements on the second image until it's perfect. And remember, you can always undo if you want to try again. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, add your two images, copy the attributes from the first, and paste them onto the second. Repeat the paste anytime you want that same polished look elsewhere. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.